Welcome to the wild side. On the south coast of Mauritius, nature rules. Let's go and explore. Here you'll find waves crashing against volcanic rock cliffs, hidden beaches, authentic villages, and all-round breathtaking scenery. The beaches here feel like secret hideaways waiting to be found. It's also the perfect place for waterfall hunting. Are you a nature lover? Don't miss Bellon Nature Reserve. Go and see the rolling tea plantations and learn about an important part of the island's history. Vanilla tea is one of the most popular flavors in Mauritius. Delicious. Visit the 19th century Le Château de Belle-Ombre for a fine dining experience that you won't forget. Belle-Ombre is also home to one of the Indian Ocean's best golf courses and the World of Seashells Museum, which has over 8,000 specimens. Don't miss a visit to the sacred lake of Gangatalao. There are also many quaint villages in the south waiting to be explored. Hop on a boat to Îles Aigrettes. This protected island is home to incredible wildlife. Finally, cool off in Blue Bay Marine Park, one of the best places to go snorkeling in Mauritius. Et voilà! We hope to see you soon in the south of Mauritius.
Wayo, wayo, wayo.